today we will discuss about what is debt to equity ratio and how to calculate it. First of all, what is debt? Debt is of two kinds. One is short term borrowings and another one is long term borrowings. And debt to equity ratio is calculated by this formula. It is very simple. We have to calculate total debt, that is long term borrowings plus short term borrowings divided by total shareholders fund. And most important thing is why debt to equity ratio is important. It is important because it indicates that stability of a company and ability to raise additional capital to grow. If there is a company having high debt, there is a high chance that company can go bankrupt in solvency procedure. Okay, let's forget it and we concentrate on how to calculate and with a live example. So debt to equity ratio is total debt divided by shareholders fund. Now go to money control and suppose open a company. I have opened Reliance Industries, and if we see long term borrowings, you will get long term borrowings in non current liabilities section, and here is long term borrowings, and we can easily see that long term borrowings is around this, and below you will see short term borrowings. Short term borrowings is this. So we have to add just these two things to get the total borrowings, that is called total debt, short term and long term. Now if we go further up, we will see total shareholder funds. It is already written there, that is this amount. So what we have to do? We have to do just add on these two parameters and divided by total shareholder equity fund. So now go to calculator. I have already have the details. So this is long term borrowings and this is short term borrowings divided by total shareholders equity fund. So in our calculation, debt to equity ratio is approx 0.54. Now usually you don't need to calculate this. You already having this in money control or any financial websites. So now just see where it is it. Just go to below and you will find out that total debt to equity ratio. Total debt to equity ratio is here. So 0.54. What we have calculated 0.54. So total debt to equity ratio, we are seeing this 0.54. So you can see it's very easy. You don't need to calculate, go through this cumbersome procedure. Just open a balance sheet a company, and if you wish to see the debt, just open the balance sheet and see non current liabilities, and you will see the long term borrowings. You just go to the, if you want to see the current borrowings, then current liabilities and short term borrowings. Okay, and if you want to see directly, then you can easily see it in debt to equity ratio here. So but basically before seeing this ratio, you have to know on your own how it is calculated. So there are multiple parameters. We will discuss later about that. Okay, thank you.